In many factories, meetings happen every day. Discussions are done, reports are shared, plans are made, but still, problems don't reduce. Same issues again and again. So, the real question is, are your meetings solving problems or just discussing them? Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades QMS and quality management consultant. In this video, we will understand why meetings happen but problems still remain, what mistakes are commonly made, and how to run meeting that actually solve problem. Simple, practical, and based on real shop floor experience. Let's see real situation. Daily meeting is conducted. Production shares numbers. Quality shares issues. Maintenance shares breakdowns. Everything is discussed. Action points are noted. Meeting ends. Next day, same issues come again. No real change. Let me give you a simple example. A quality issue is discussed. Team agrees. We will fix this. Action is assigned. Next day meeting, issue still open. Reason? No follow-up, no ownership, no root cause. So discussion continues. Problem remains. When meetings don't solve problems, time is wasted. Energy is wasted. Frustration increases. And most important, system does not improve. Also, people lose interest in meetings. Meetings become formality. How this becomes normal? This does not happen in one day. First time, issue is discussed. Second time, same issue is repeated. Third time, it becomes routine. After some time, meetings become reporting session, not problem solving sessions. Let's understand why this happens. First, meeting focus on reporting, not action. People share what happened, but not what will be done. Second, no ownership. Actions are discussed, but no clear owner. So, nobody takes responsibility. Third, no follow-up system. Previous actions are not reviewed, so closure is weak. 4. No root cause focus. Problems are discussed at surface level, not solved permanently. Fifth, too much discussion, less execution. Time is spent talking, less on doing. Why problems continue? Let's understand the behavior. When action is not tracked, it is forgotten. When ownership is not clear, it is ignored. When root cause is not solved, it repeats. Many people think we are having regular meetings, so system is working. This is wrong. Meetings do not solve problems. Action solve problems. So, we need to shift from discussion meetings to action driven meetings. Meetings should focus on what will change, not just what happened. What a strong meetings looks like. In a strong meeting, issues are clearly defined. Owners are assigned. Deadlines are fixed. Follow-up is done. Meetings drive action, not just discussion. So what are the practical solutions? Let's make it practical. The first, keep meetings short and focused. Avoid long discussions. Focus on key issues. Second, define clear agenda. Discuss only issues, actions, status. Third, assign ownership. Every issue must have one owner responsible for closure. 4. Define deadlines. Action without deadline. No action, fix clear timelines. Track previous actions. Start meeting with review of last actions. Closure must be checked. 6. Focus on root cause. Do not close issue quickly, solve permanently. 7. Use visual tracking. Maintain simple board. Issue, owner, status visible to all. So what are the common mistakes to avoid? Long discussions, no ownership, no follow-up, no root cause. These make meetings ineffective. So, what is the role of leadership? Leadership must focus on action, ask for closure, challenge, repeat issues. Their approach defines meeting quality. When meetings improve, problems reduce, actions get completed, time is saved, team confidence increases. Most important, system becomes effective. Meetings do not solve problems, actions solve problems. If meetings are happening but issues remain, system is weak. Focus on ownership, follow up, root cause, make meetings effective. If you found this video useful, like this video and subscribe to Swades QMS. We will continue learning practical quality management in a simple way. If you want to build action-driven systems and effective meetings, you can contact Swades QMS. Details are in the description. Thank you for watching.